Rainbow of Sound Music Academy kepada Hakishnong Maubri Ribhoi District, a music school kepada Jupelong, Shisian Shitiau Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri. Hakasngi sajan nyadu Shpaubaje Main Step, hadu Saubaje Janmir. Kepada yang sumpai pi barok ki kena ki menadu nyau senam cheneng, ki samla ya piru barok dilong kemilong kepa ki bakwa banyo yang jingi kai jingnang syapang ke music. Hakane ke music school don shibut ki jingi kai kum ki gitar, keyboard, duitara, ke bom, ke sing, ke drum, Indian vocal, western vocal but khasi vocal. Kane ke music school ke Jupanya ki street performance bagi konsert aman lau senam kum kedak ajing seluruh ki kena ki bawan pulih hakane ke music school ti parlok baro wan nomor selam wan ban syem ni ke admission hakane music school.
Da kispangut kita khat kaseng kisamla pule ka khasi student union KSU belayalam do presiden rangba oba lambok star marngar kilapan I da ki kam sendan man persya lentiral bat kumjuru ia ka ain Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act MSIPF katai kaseng kelatur kansan pok klem don do poi perkhat hak step jongkarwe trek uleber arjapsan Syaril Bong kalat bandrung sya assembly halor kamat ban persya jur ya projek lentiral bat katai ka ain MSIPF ha katai ka jingbi kedit kansan da gidukhat ka KSU rengkat bat ki plakat bala temu bandrung baik-baik sya assembly handai kila sya khang lentino ha ki bor pulet sipor bala biru ka jingya pen inya pringkinong yalam kaseng bat ki bor pulet hadin bakim yolat bandrung sya ka kerdop jong ka yingdor bar thawan na ki plakat balayo ring dorki kidon gijing tho ki bala produk da ka boong ko sarkar wanam raha lentiral baik syuai ke jingrong kertlap kinong way ngidawa ILP penban ke sarkar ketemu wanra ia ka lentiral kala pauru ka jingtho ka persya jor ya ka ai Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act MSIPF ka boong ka MSIPF ka dai ka ain ban penyap ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act pat ka sik chidel kinong ilam ka KSU ki bala apa ka tai ka jaka nadu dang step kitang peteng ban penlong ya ka jingya ki ta ka baap hadu bandayo ya karai ne ka jubab ka basai kedar na ka sarkar jela
Maju berang, keluar geri! Maju berang, keluar geri! Flap, KSU! Flap, KSU! Keju, pendam, keju! Maju berang, keluar geri! Maju berang, keluar geri! Bulan dalam bulan.
At first, give a press briefing in the Long Press Club, that is on January, the last week of January. We have sent a clear message to the government that this act is draconian, it is anti-tribal, and it will be like we are giving all our lands to different companies, like investors, which is detrimental because we are going to lose huge swaths of land. And we also understand that tribal without land is as good as death. So that is what we have conveyed to the government. But the government did not respond. So after that, we sent a letter to the Chief Minister regarding this act. And we have mentioned all of the clauses there in the act which is anti-people, which is not people-friendly, which is detrimental to the tribals of the state. We have asked the government to omit such points because the act is very contradicts the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act, although it was mentioned in the act that it passed the Transfer Act. But if government can purchase land directly, give them to different outside investors, huge hectares of land, then what is the stand of the Meghalaya Land Transfer Act? We have sent a copy to the Chief Minister and also forwarded copies to all the 60 legislators of the state. But till then also we do not get any response. As a matter of fact, the government had introduced a few days back the amendment to to the MSIPF. But we can see that the amendment is just an eyewash. It is very weak, it is still more or less the same. So therefore we are compelled to come here and stage a protest in order to voice our concern regarding the ramifications that the MSIPF will have on the tribals, the indigenous tribals of the state. If the government does not remove this act, then the KSU will be forced with other measures.
So